Hello guys, in this video we're gonna unbox and apply the Crossvolt tempered glass for Samsung Galaxy Watch 7 LTE 44mm. I bought it from Amazon for 191 rupees, that means just 95 rupees for one as it is pack of 2. Inside the packet we get 2 tempered glass and one applying kit which has wet wipes and dry wipes. We need to clean the skin properly before applying the glass. We need to remove the protective film from the back of the glass before applying it. Align it properly so it will fit perfectly. As you can see, the touch is working fine. Everything is working. This glass is very good quality. It is clear.